membership, about to induct 2 new members into our club, Meraki. May I please invite our members, Shruti and Ashwin, onto the stage, please.
Please.
Please leave. Thank you.
Please don't use. Give you space here.
Fellow Toastmasters, it is now my duty and privilege to induct Shruti and Ashwin, our new members, into Meraki Toastmasters Club. This is an important occasion for both these new members and for our club. These individuals have come to Toastmasters seeking to improve their communication and leadership skills, and we now have an opportunity to help them and grow and achieve their goals. Shruti and Ashwin, you are now joining a worldwide organization that has helped millions of people learn to communicate more effectively. As members of Meraki, you will benefit from a proven self-development program, and you will be a part of the outstanding group of people who are dedicated to helping one another in a spirit of sharing and enjoyment. Membership in this club and in Toastmasters is a privilege that carries with itself many rewards. Yet, it also places certain obligations upon you. You are a group of people brought together to do things that we could not accomplish alone. Our collective obligation is to grow and improve ourselves and to share the knowledge and experience with fellow members in a spirit of enjoyment. This means you must work diligently towards your own self-development, evaluate other speeches in a spirit of support and sharing, assess the club in reaching its goals, and remain positive. We ask you, our new members, Ashwin and Shruti, to dedicate yourselves to personal growth, to share this great gift with your fellow members, and to help this Toastmasters Club strong and dynamic. Now we'll be reading the pledge, so I would just, once I'm done, I want you to say, yes, I will. I, your name,
Ashwin.
Shruti, in the presence of my fellow members of the Meraki Toastmasters Club, make this firm obligation to attend meetings regularly and prepare fully for each assignment, to apply myself to the projects outlined in the Toastmasters education program, to participate actively in club activities, to evaluate others in a positive, constructive manner, to develop open, friendly relationships with my fellow members, and to bring other new members into the club so that they can also gain the benefits of Toastmasters. I do. Thank you. Would all members please repeat our club's pledge to our new members? We, the members of Meraki Toastmasters Club, pledge to support you in your quest for self-development, to provide you with positive, helpful evaluations, to maintain a friendly, supportive atmosphere, to give you opportunities to help others, and to make your Toastmasters membership a rewarding and a fulfilling experience. Thank you. Members of Meraki, here we have Toastmaster Ashwin and Toastmaster Shruti inducted into the Meraki Toastmasters Club. May I please invite the sponsor for Ashwin and Shruti, distinguished Toastmaster Satish, to kindly give away the welcome ribbons.
Thank you.
Welcome to the club, Ashwin. Looking forward to a great learning. Welcome to the club. Thank you. Back to you, Toastmaster.
Thank you, TMOD, for conducting that formal induction program. So I think all of you would have got a feeling that Meraki is formal in whatever activity we do. Doesn't mean that we lack playfulness. So we have all the fun here because our founder member, Dr. Rolf, clearly said that we learn the best at the moment of joy. So that we truly inspire. So hopefully you will get to know about the joyful moments during this meeting. So now the second item on the agenda is the budget submission and ratification of the budget for 2023. So may I invite DTM Satish Kumar to present the budget.
Thank you, sir. So good morning, Meraki's and guests.